Good morning, boys and girls. This is one of your third grade teachers, Miss Medeiros.
And Miss Caradimos.
Today we have a very fun science experiment for you. We are going to be working with different ingredients to form our very own lava lamps.
You're going to see how the ingredients work together and react to create the lava lamp.
So in order to create these lava lamps, there are some materials that you will need to collect from your home. You will need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 3 drops of food coloring, whatever food coloring you would want to use, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of water, and an empty water bottle.
Before we begin, I'm going to quickly go over the steps that we will go through in order to create the lava lamp. Step 1 will be to add the 1 cup of oil to your bottle. Step 2 will be to add 1/4 a cup of vinegar to the bottle. Step 3 will be to add 3 drops of food coloring to the bottle. Step 4, in a separate container, you are going to mix together 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water. In step 5, you will add this mixture into your water bottle. Then you will see the magic happen.
Okay, so before you begin, you want to make sure that you collect all the materials and you lay them out on a table. As you can see, Miss Caradimos and I have a bowl, and that's just to protect all of the ingredients from spilling over on the table or the floor.
Miss Caradimos also put down newspaper actually just in case. That way it doesn't ruin any countertops or floors or anything like that, just to take a precaution. So,
Are you ready to start, Miss Caradimos?
Ready, Miss Medeiros.
Let's do it.
So we'll start with step 1. So step 1 is to add 1 cup of oil to the bottom. So I have my measuring cup here for 1 cup. I'm going to start by pouring oil into this measurement cup. All right, so we're gonna have to be super careful when we pour the oil into the bottle because we wanna get all of it inside of it. That I'm not doing.
As you can see, this is a very challenging process. So please make sure that you have your buckets or bowls underneath your water bottle to protect your furniture and your flooring.
If you do have a funnel, which neither Miss Medeiros or I had, it will make it much easier to pour your ingredients into the bottle.
At the bottom of my bowl, there's actually leftover vegetable oil. I'm just dumping it into my measurement cup to add it to my water bottle as best as I can.
We want to make sure our measurements are precise in order for it to work. All right, are you all set, Miss Medeiros, with step 1?
Yeah.
Wonderful. All right, so our second step is to take 1/4 a cup of vinegar and then add that to the bottle. So I'm going to start by pouring my vinegar into my measuring cup.
I just got it all over my hand.
Truly.
Experiment, Miss Caradimos.
I know. Messes happen.
A little bit
Why
more.
we're taking the precautions.
I'm just gonna add a little bit more vinegar just because I spilled a bunch inside of the bowl. There we go.
So as you can see, once you do pour the vinegar into your bottle, you can already see the vinegar goes right to the bottom and it begins to react with the oil and causes bubbles. I don't know if you can see them.
I can. Looks like the magic is starting to happen.
It is, Miss Medeiros. All right, and our next step, step 3, is to add 3 drops of food coloring into your water bottle. So I have red food coloring, so my lava lamp is going to end up being red.
I'm going to add blue. Two, three.
I'm all set. Step 4 is in a separate container. So I have this small little Tupperware. I am going to mix together 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water.
Okay.
So I'm going to use again my measuring tools.
Water.
1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of water. All right, once you have both those ingredients in your small container, you're gonna mix them together. All right, once you have mixed those 2 ingredients together, we are going to move on to step 5, which is to add the mixture to your water bottle that already has your other ingredients in it.
I noticed that some of my baking soda is actually stuck at the bottom of my container, so I'm just going to take my spoon that I used to stir the baking soda in the water and scrape it to add it to my water bottle.
Well, that's a great idea, Miss Medeiros.
Thank you.
You can see mine already beginning to bubble up, and you can see the reaction between all the ingredients causing this to happen. We hope that you enjoyed our science experiment. And love to see how yours turn out.
So cool. Look at all that magic.
And look at it, just keeps going.
If you want to see the reaction a little bit more closely, you can actually bring your water bottle to a light or the window to see all of the magic happen.
I'm gonna actually take my cell phone quickly and add the light right to it.
Very cool. Love that. All right, so Miss Caradimos and I are challenging you. If you have all of these ingredients at home and you have a family member at home who can help you with all this, we want you to put together your very own lava lamps and take a picture, and then you can send it to us via Google Classroom and Class Dojo.
We can't wait to see yours.
All righty.
Bye.
Caradimos, bye.
Bye.